welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great start to your day, rest of your day, whatever time it may be. You already have enough. Damn. We are gonna head out to a little late night joint. Hopefully this is gonna be a pretty decent meet. We are in the 650 again. I've been enjoying taking this car out to these little late night joints. Woo! Got that chop action. Let's see how this night goes. All right, let's head out to the meet. If you guys enjoy these S650 videos, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Whew. Maybe we'll get into some Mexico action tonight, potentially. It's been a very, very long time since I've gotten into some action with this car. I also do want to go ahead and test some front runners on this car, some 17s. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna do any power miles to this. I'm gonna just leave it how it is for right now. Like, the most I'll do is probably some headers on it. Boost, not really something I want to do right now with this car. I think it's best just to keep this one NA and then just enjoy it as is, so I can kind of have two audiences and also just two things to do, you know. Go out boosted one night and I can go out NA another, because I do believe there are some other NA builds that have spawned since the last time I took this car out locally. rev match. Rev match be sounding great. We got something up here. Is this a Hellcat? That boy probably going to the same place I am. Woo hoo hoo hoo. I love when this thing just pops. Cause it's just so, it's like a reward. It's like random. Cause I don't have a Pops and Banks tune. Traffic. It is Friday night, but damn. And I am riding the feeder though, but shit. Kind of a lot more than I thought. It's hot as hell too. 89 degrees outside. Shit, dude, it's a hot one. I can't believe it is still 89. It's summer heat. It's only gonna get warmer too. August is even worse than July. Fuck, 89 at night. It's 10 o'clock and it's 89 degrees out right now. Holy fuck. That Hellcat sounds good, I ain't gonna lie. If I could afford it, I would get a Demon 170 to daily drive. That'd be badass. Oh my goodness, I love that. Woo, a Demon 170 would be legit. Fully down in the tune, oh man. On some lighter wheels, that'd be sick. Them things sound great too, but you cut the cats off the Demon, man. Had that whine, oh man. Woo-hoo. Since we're like running into a lot of traffic, I'm probably gonna catch up with y'all when we get closer to the meet, because this is actually kind of OD how much traffic there is right now.
One eternity later.
Turn right.
cow, this is packed.
The destination is on your right.
Holy shit, this is packed. Parked on the other side. Somebody was ripping it.
One eternity later.
Hey, excuse me. Aren't you the guy with the ESS? You bought a 650?
Yeah, I've had this for like a couple of years actually.
I didn't see it on your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I haven't made videos on it in a while, but I've had this like 2 years.
What do you got done to it?
It's just a tune in E85.
Just a tune?
Yeah, E85, yeah.
Alright, man. It was nice meeting you.
Alright, you too. Alright, see what's here.
They're still giving it gas.
6 with the white badges. I like that. Wait, what the hell? Ain't no way dude took the doors off the Porsche. What the fuck? Ain't no way. Damn. This is tough, though. Hella bikes out here. Look at all the bikes. I'm gonna get out of here before the bikes start taking off. Ooh, little 1314 GT500 right here. You don't see these too often anymore. Oh my lord. Tight squeeze with that bike. Shit. That dude boxed in. I'm about to head out soon too, so I don't get boxed in.
That's him, but that's not him.
Lambo right there.
I know he don't. He said no. He wants to see it now. Levante el ánimo y busca otro amor.
There's so many damn cars here. Saw this car last week. Ooh, FRS right here. Wide body, I like that. I'm gonna try to snake my way around all these cars right now. Yeah, tight ass squeeze. What up, bro? Oh my god. I almost got my foot ran over right there. Ooh, that would have been bad. I almost just got my foot ran over, y'all. Shit, it's so tight. Let me get the hell out of here.
Now who the fuck playing with me? I don't know about it.
Over there too. Man, I remember when the 650s were like low-key, kind of rare to see at meets. Now they're like heavily rising in popularity. Oh, it's a dark horse right here. I didn't even realize that shit. Hell yeah. Oh, that's a 95. Couple cars back over here, but that's like the overflow lot back there. I parked back there. These dudes in trucks, I bet you there's probably people sleeping in there. They're probably pissed. But yeah, y'all, I'm probably gonna head out of here just for the fact that it's a clusterfuck. And I know for a fact if people start to leave coming out back here, I am screwed. I'm gonna be here for like 30 minutes and I do not want that to happen. So I'm probably gonna end up dipping very, very shortly. All right, back at the casa. Was able to make it out of there pretty quickly. Now I do plan on going out and maybe getting some Mexico runs in the S650 very, very, very shortly. So stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed the late night car meet, been trying to go out and get active in this car a little bit more, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, everybody, stay safe out there. Deuces.